The blind spot warning or BSW and blind spot intervention or BSI systems, if so equipped, can help alert the driver of other vehicles in the blind spot area when changing lanes. The BSW system uses radar sensors installed near the rear bumper to help detect other vehicles in the blind spot detection zone. In addition to the radar sensors, the BSI system uses a camera installed behind the windshield to monitor the lane markers of your traveling lane. When the radar sensor detects vehicles in the detection zone and the vehicle is traveling at speeds greater than approximately 30 km per hour, the blind spot warning indicator lights located by the outside mirrors illuminate. If the driver then activates the turn signal, the system chimes twice and the blind spot warning indicator light will flash. The BSI system is activated when it senses a vehicle in the detection zone. You are driving at speeds above approximately 60 km per hour and your vehicle is approaching the lane marker. BSI operates regardless of turn signal usage. The system will chime 3 times and lightly apply the brakes for a moment on one side to help return the vehicle back to the traveling lane. On vehicles not equipped with Pro Pilot Assist, you can activate or deactivate the BSI system by pushing the Dynamic Driver Assistance switch. For vehicles equipped with Pro Pilot Assist, push the Pro Pilot Assist button located here to activate the BSI system. BSI is on when the indicator light illuminates in the instrument panel. BSI provides an audible warning and the indicator light flashes when the BSI is activated, even if the BSW system is off. There may be instances when you want to turn these systems off. To permanently enable or disable the BSW or BSI system, press the menu button on the control panel. Touch the driver assistance key. Now, touch the blind spot assist key, and then touch the blind spot warning or blind spot intervention key to toggle the BSW or BSI system on or off. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.